Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that there was something that you could do that would make stopping drinking as easy as brushing your teeth in the morning, as easy as walking to the grocery store and picking up a pint of milk? See, the problem is that most people think that stopping drinking is hard. Most people think that stopping drinking requires a lot of personal strength and personal willpower. You know, if we can just resist alcohol, if we can go to a bar or a friend's place and they drink in front of us and we just resist, then we're going to be okay. And the thing is that method can work. Using willpower can be a very effective way for you to stop drinking alcohol until one day the willpower runs out. And then it no longer becomes effective. See, the thing is with willpower, when we resist to drink alcohol, we never address the root cause of the problem. Because for some people, stopping drinking isn't difficult, it isn't challenging, and it isn't hard. There are people out there that will have never watched one of my YouTube videos, they'll have never read any kind of stop drinking literature, they'll have never hired a coach, they'll have never even heard of AA, or maybe they've heard of it, but they've never been there. Yet, some people just stop drinking. They just wake up one morning, they're like, well, hang on, I'm hungover, I feel sick, I don't like doing this, and then boom, they're finished, they're done. Those people do exist, and they never drink alcohol again. Yet for most of us, myself included, for 10 years, stopping drinking was a fight. It was a constant, never-ending battle. Every day I'd wake up, I'd go through my day, I'd not drink alcohol, I'd get to nighttime, and then the urge would come back. The obsession would be there once again. But there is something you can do. There is something you can do that will make stopping easy, and I will break that down for you in this video today. Because the people who I just explained, the ones that find stopping drinking so easy, they never read anything, they don't know that help even exists because they never Google it because they stop drinking and that's it. That's a problem that's solved in their life. The thing is this is a tiny percentage of people. I don't know the percentage. It might be 0.01% of people that try to stop drinking do it like that. It is tiny. And the reason why is this. From day one of being born, we are conditioned to see alcohol as a good thing. So we're born into a world that has alcohol in a very positive light. It has alcohol as a pastime, as an enjoyable thing, as something that people just do. And we've been conditioned from day one of being born. Literally, when we're growing up as children, we see our parents drink. Even people in kids' movies will sometimes drink alcohol. I'm not talking about, baby stuff, but even PG stuff. We start seeing people drink alcohol from such a young age. So it is normalized. It's completely normal in our society to be addicted to a drug. It's totally fine. It's just what people do. And it's insanity. It's complete insanity. And the problem is that even when somebody decides enough is enough, I don't want to drink alcohol anymore, I'm quitting, I'm removing that from my life, and they go about their life as normal, the problem is that because the incentive for you to drink alcohol is so great, if an alcohol company gets you hooked, you're talking like a customer over a lifetime is going to spend hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. The incentive to get you addicted to alcohol is effing massive. It is humongous. We are talking tens and tens of billions of dollars. That is what this industry is creating. So if you end up stopping drinking alcohol, people want you to get back on that stuff because of the money involved. And this is not some conspiracy theory, right? This is real. This is happening. You have been conditioned to see alcohol as a good thing. And when you stop drinking alcohol, that conditioning will continually go into your mind. Now, the people who do stop drinking, this very small percentage of people that just stop and never go back, I don't know what it is. Maybe they're just strong people that see through the lies, see through the conditioning, and they're able to just get on with things. But I wasn't one of those people. For 10 years, I struggled, and it was a constant battle and a constant fight. And it wasn't until I addressed this conditioning, it wasn't until I actually looked into what the hell is going on here that stopping became easy for me. But that was a process, and that took me time. I didn't come to that conclusion myself. I had to research, I had to read, I had to break things down from first principles to see what is going on. But I tell you this, once you see that alcohol is doing nothing for you, that it's literal drug addiction, we're drinking a poison, and we've been literally brainwashed from day one of being born to see this as a good thing. Once you see the lie, it's like the Wizard of Oz. When they see the Wizard of Oz is just a giant Fugazi, what's the difference with alcohol? There is no difference. Once you see alcohol as the Fugazi that it is, it becomes so easy to not drink because you see past the lies. You see past the nonsense. You see past the insanity. Because alcohol is a giant lie. It's a load of bull. And I promise you one thing, it's not hard to not drink alcohol. You just don't drink it. You just don't put the stuff to your mouth. And that's it. How hard is that? It's such a simple thing. But because of this idea that alcohol adds value in our life, we just stay stuck for years. We struggle, we fight because we never address this root cause. Now, if you want help addressing the root cause, Yeah, you can do it on your own. You can read books, you can research, you can watch every single video on my channel, and you will get to this state of mind eventually. But if you want a faster way to do this, then click the link in the description and book a call. You and I can jump on a call and see if my program, which works by addressing this root cause, could be a good match for you. We use something called first principles thinking to help people reframe the way they view alcohol so they see it for what it is. So if you want more details, click the link in the description. But I promise you one thing, it's not hard. This stuff is simple, effortless, and enjoyable. Have a great day.